Okay, now we're going to draw a cartoon in the vector program. Go ahead and log into vector.com and create a new file. And we're going to go online to Google Images, and you're going to find your favorite cartoon. I'm going to look for Thumper. And so the cartoon has to have a brushstroke. So you can't do Pokemon or The Simpsons. So you're going to click on Tools right here, on Tools. And then up here you're going to go to Size Large. And then you're going to go to Color, Black and White. So we only want the black and white image. So I'm going to go with, click on this one. And I'm going to save it. Right click on it. Save the image as. And I'll call it drawing guide. Save it. So I'm going to go back to Vector and click on the cloud to upload the file. And I'm going to go to Downloads. Click on my drawing guide. And again, scroll to on the right side and lower the opacity to 50%. And on the left, on the image, lock it so it doesn't move. And now we're going to create a actually, let me unlock it a little bit and move it down. Oh, let me scale it up. Let's hold the shift, scale it in. So it fits inside the piece of paper. I don't know how big that piece of paper is. Okay, so I'm going to make a brush stroke. So I'm going to draw a circle, make it black, and then squish it like that. And ooh, that didn't work. So zoom in, and let's do the ear. So I'm going to double click on this, put that point there, the point here, and this point in the middle, and this point in the middle, right there. And I'm going to change the curve, that, curve, not quite what I had in mind. I guess I have to double click, oops, and pull out, to zoom in a little bit. No, it's not working. Okay, I'm going to make another one, anchor point right here, and another one here. Doesn't like it. Okay, so now I can add a curve there and a curve here, like that, and increase this curve, increase this curve. There. So I created that curve. I'm going to create another one here, make it black, and squish it. Double click, move this point here, move this point here, this point here, this one here, and then adjust the curve, that, adjust the curve, and there's my drawing. Guess I can do one here too. Make it black. And squish it. Double click on it. Put this point here. This one here. This one here. Let's see if this works. And adjust the curve, see if it fits. Looks like I might have to add another point. Add another point here. Like that, add another point here. That, another point here, that, can move the point. That. Adjust this like that. Adjust this. There you go. So anyway, you're going to be doing this kind of stuff, doing brush strokes. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to go to export, SVG, download, and turn that. Well, actually, you're going to hide the drawing, the guide, and just show that. Okay, and upload that file with your last name dash cartoon.